Crystal River there for a while. And now we're on our way to Pensacola. And it's Ian. We're on our way to Pensacola right now. We just got on the highway. We stopped to get some breakfast. So yeah, we're en route to our new place, Pensacola RV Park. Not too far from the beach. They are supposed to have some nasty weather out there later tonight, so kind of worried about that. But alright, I'm going to flip this thing around and let Eric talk to you guys. Go.
Hey guys, what's going on? So this trip's going to be just a hair bit better than this round. Turned out we stopped at a Camping World and they was doing some inspection. Found out our rig had tires that were 14 years old and never been changed. So that kind of sucks, but they gave us all new tires. So we're good to go on that.
Probably while we were swaying everywhere.
Probably. I would like to say it drives like a Dream or a Cadillac, but it more drives like 4 flats on a Cadillac. Yeah, as Miss Tiffany said, we're headed to Pensacola, so we're gonna have a lot more aquatic happenings going on. Obviously, we're still in Florida. We'll be here for what, 3.5 months?
3 more months, 13 weeks, and then we might possibly be heading up to the mountains, North Carolina mountains after that.
So we'll be able to bring you some nice footage from the mountains, hopefully. Because we know we want to make a trip at the Biltmore house, so that's coming up here in the next few months. A lot of exciting stuff happening. Probably gonna maybe do a couple more fishing videos. I don't know about the underwater. If you guys watched the last video that we posted when we was at Crystal River, no, Rainbow River, we had underwater footage, which was amazing. I gotta find a new case because that one has too much cackle noise in it. But supposedly where we're going, Destin, Florida is supposed to have super clear water, so we might go a little scuba diving in that. So that's gonna be exciting.
They got some good fishing down there too.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to be doing some fishing.
We won't be too far from New Orleans, so we might do a day trip to New Orleans.
We are going to New Orleans, and we'll have a video. If any of y'all, have a suggestion of where we're going to be, we'll be in the Mobile, Alabama, New Orleans.
We're staying right on the border between Pensacola and Mobile, Alabama.
Yeah, so if you guys have a suggestion, hey, go here, you'll really like it, or hey, go here, this place is supposed to be haunted, you should check that out. I'll definitely game for something like that.
Or how about don't go here because it's horrible, don't waste your time.
Yeah.
Or it's dangerous, or whatever.
Yeah, so definitely leave that comment below, underneath the description. In that description, you're going to find a link to our store, which I highly recommend to check it out. We have all kinds of weird stuff, odds in, clothes, men's clothes, women's clothes. Just toys, just stuff. Kids' toys, not adult toys. Let me clarify that up. I'm going to ask if you guys need that rest off.
We're good.
So yeah, we'll touch base here in a little bit. We got 4 or 5 hours to go, so we'll get back to you.
And here's a shot of the open road. There's our Groots. I collect little Groots and keep them on my dashboard.
Yeah, the Groots are amazing.
Here's a shot of the nice blue sky. All these Mack trucks, I hate them. But, all right.
We are in, hey Tiff, where are we? We're like somewhere outside of Tallahassee.
20 miles from Gainesville.
We're somewhere outside of Tallahassee. Their rig's back there. It's
like
coming to fucking storm. Like super bad.
And we're staying in a Walmart parking lot.
And we are actually staying at a Walmart parking lot again tonight.
2 nights in a row.
The reason for that is I don't have very good lights on my rig. I'm gonna get new ones for the next travel. This way I can drive through the night. The wife has 20/20 vision, could see 1,000 miles away, but to drive the rig petrifies her, so that's okay. So we're going to stay the night here at this Walmart. We're about 2 hours away from Pensacola, so we'll make that drive tomorrow.
No, we won't. 50 mile per hour winds and thunderstorms is what's doable.
So,
50-mile-per-hour winds
But-
and thunderstorms.
we're here at this Wally World Walmart, and well, when we get to Pensacola and whatnot, and set up, we'll start making another episodes here and there. So until then, like, comment, subscribe below. Very important, hit that like button. Pray for Tiffany, because Tiffany's scared. She's mad too. Alright guys.